Today, I'll show you how to set up a recurring invoice in Bill.com, a useful tool for managing your business finances with ease and efficiency. Whether you're billing clients monthly, weekly, or on any other regular schedule, setting up recurring invoices can save you time and help ensure you never miss an invoice deadline. First, let's navigate to the Invoices section. You'll find this in the left navigation sidebar of your Bill.com account. This is where all your billing magic happens, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you're there, look for the option that says Create Invoice. Go ahead and click on that to start the process. As you open the invoice creation form, one of the first things you'll notice is the invoice frequency setting at the top. This is crucial for setting up a recurring invoice. By default, this setting is usually set to one time. What you'll want to do is switch this toggle to recurring. This change opens up a new world of options, allowing you to customize the frequency of your invoices according to your specific needs. Now it's time to add the details of your invoice. This includes the recipient's information, the amount you wish to bill, and any other pertinent details such as the due date or a description of the services provided. Be sure to double-check all the information to ensure accuracy, as mistakes can lead to confusion and delays in payment. It's a good practice to be as clear and detailed as possible in the description section to avoid any misunderstandings with your client. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, decide how you'd like to proceed with your invoice. If you're not quite ready to send it out, you can opt to save it as a draft. This is particularly handy if you need to review the details or make any last-minute changes later. On the other hand, if everything looks good and you're ready to go, you can choose to review the invoice and send it. Before you send, take a moment to review all the information one last time. It's always a good idea to make sure that everything is in order, from the billing details to the frequency settings. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and send the invoice. Your recurring invoice is now set up, and Bill.com will automatically handle the rest according to the schedule you've specified. And there you have it. Setting up a recurring invoice in Bill.com is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your billing efficiency and ensure that you stay on top of your invoicing schedule. By taking advantage of this feature, you'll free up more time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your business finances with technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on our latest content. Happy invoicing!